Well, new details are now out after a woman was hit and killed by a self-driving car in Tempe last year.
Self-driving car last year in Tempe.
We've learned that woman's family has filed the first steps in a lawsuit against the city of Tempe. They're making some pretty big monetary demands. Leon Enriquez is in Tempe with more.
What we've learned is that this wrongful death claim was filed by the victim's husband and daughter, and what they want is $10 million. This dash cam footage shows the moment 49-year-old Elaine Herzberg was struck and killed by an Uber self-driving vehicle as she walked her bicycle across the road outside of a crosswalk near Mill Avenue and Curry Road in Tempe last March. Now, Herzberg's daughter and husband have filed this notice of claim, demanding $5 million each as a settlement, or they intend to file a lawsuit.
I think that having a lawsuit against a municipality in particular for damages related to an unmanned vehicle operating on the road is a unique case.
Attorney James Arrowwood doesn't represent either party, but says this could be a tough case because the technology involved is so new and there haven't been any cases like this.
The roads are designed for vehicles with drivers. So the signs, the curves, the degrees of angle, and those sorts of things that would ordinarily apply to a case where there's a driver in a vehicle don't necessarily apply in an unmanned vehicle.
The claim alleges the city of Tempe is liable because there was this brick pathway designed to accommodate people to cross at the site of the accident, and the city failed to do three things: provide a crosswalk, properly light the area, and provide other modifications that would have permitted safe crossing.
It may be very difficult to attribute liability for something that you couldn't reasonably anticipate.
Arrowwood says if this case ends up in court, all eyes will be on Arizona.
I think it's going to be more than interesting. I think this particular case is going to be more than interesting with regards to legal precedents. I think it could be, in a sense, without being too grandiose, but it's kind of history-making, certainly in the state of Arizona.
Herzberg's death is believed to be the first pedestrian death caused by one of these autonomous vehicles. Now, the family has already reached a private settlement with Uber. We did reach out to the city of Tempe, who acknowledged the claim, but say they aren't able to comment on pending litigation. In Tempe, Leon Enriquez for Arizona's Family.